Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, plug the phone in or confirm battery is at least 50%, and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions. Once done, free about 2 GB of storage so the update can unpack. You should back up photos and contacts to Google or use Samsung Smart Switch because updates can change settings. Then go to Settings, Software Update, and tap Check Now to fetch the latest OTA. This begins the real process and prevents wasted waiting. You will download and install the update. Let the phone run without interruptions because OTA packages range from a few hundred megabytes to multiple gigabytes, and pausing can corrupt the file. Once the download completes, tap Install, the device will reboot and apply changes. That's when apps are optimized, so don't force shutdown. If the OTA refuses to install, connect the A70 to a PC and use Samsung Smart Switch to reinstall the official firmware safely, which resolves. You finish by verifying the update. Go to Settings, right arrow about phone to confirm the new Android version and security patch, and update apps in Google Play. If the phone feels sluggish or apps misbehave, make sure to clear the cache partition first. It removes stale system caches without deleting personal data. If problems persist, perform a factory reset after backing up everything. Troubleshooting tip: boot into recovery and wipe cache. Only factory reset if that fails, because it erases you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.